Hello everyone, get ready to unlock the secrets of amazing web design. Don't worry, you don't have to be a tech guru to dive into this creative world. It is a language that turns boring web pages into stunning masterpieces. And the language is called CSS. CSS means cascading style sheets, and it's the language of the web. Think of it as a magical wand for websites. CSS are what makes our boring web pages look visually appealing. Without CSS, websites are like boring canvases. But with CSS, we can paint them with colors, fonts, and layouts that make them stand out. CSS works by using rows, selectors, and properties to style web elements. It is simple to grasp. With CSS, you can make websites pop with properties like background color, font size, and border radius. CSS isn't just about adding colors. It's about arranging your elements on the web page. Ever wanted to create a stunning web layout? With CSS, you can, and I'll guide you through every step. CSS is the ultimate tool for your web design. It's like a paintbrush for digital age, and you are the artist. So sit tight and get ready for an exciting design adventure. In our next video, we'll delve into some CSS techniques that will take your web design skills to the next level. So stay tuned for more CSS content and have a blast styling the web.